education is key factor. Now, because it's the existing education system, including India's modern education system, introduced by Britisher. So now modern education, so-called modern education, wonderful, but very much oriented about material value, physical sort of comfort. When we talk material value, we only concern about satisfaction on sensorial or say consciousness or sensorial level. Even now, psychologists, scientists, when we discuss about consciousness, they only refer sensorial consciousness, not mental level. Now they question, see, anger, fear, jealousy. Now these not sensorial level, but mental level. So the method to reduce these, must come mental level. So now, because our existing education system very much oriented about the material value, therefore eventually whole generation, whole society, some kind of materialistic life, materialistic culture. Although they also want peace, but they do not know how to bring inner peace, how to tackle this destructive emotion. So now, in education field, we should start. These days I describing in education, the education about the hygiene of physical. Now similarly, we need hygiene of emotion. So now, so you see, from kindergarten level up to university level, I think in education we should include education about peace of mind, mental level value, and method how to tackle this destructive emotion. Now this is question of humanity. I always consider myself just one another human being out of 7 billion human beings. No differences. Mentally, emotionally, physically, we are same. So we have, you see, the same emotional problem, and also you see same sort of potential to tackle these things. So therefore, now we have to think about entire 7 billion humanity's peace of mind. So then, in education, if we rely on religious belief, then it will not be universal. So, you already sort of mentioned, on the basis of our common experience, that means 7 billion human beings come from their mother. Each one survived with mother's care, mother's love, mother's milk. That's common experience.